Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. So you have been going live on TikTok, or maybe you are just getting started and you are stuck thinking, what do I even stream today? Yeah, I've been there. Coming up with content every single time can feel like a grind, especially when you're not sure of what will keep people watching. But don't worry, today I'm giving you 5 easy and fire content ideas that you can use on your TikTok gaming streams starting tonight. So if it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe, like and comment down below this video, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Let's get started. One of my go-to content ideas is challenge streams. Let your viewers give you a task when you are live streaming, like use only melee weapons, no armor this round, or try to win without reloading. The crazier the challenge is, the better. Here's the thing, this works because people love being part of the chaos, and the bonus, you are never playing the same way twice. You could even say, drop a challenge in chat, if I fail, I do 10 push-ups on stream, and boom, that's instant content plus engagement. This one is super interactive. Ask your viewers to drop their gaming loadouts or setups in the chat and you rate them live. You can even go spicy with it. Sometimes you will get some wild builds and that's where the fun is. You can even build out a mini series like fixing my viewers loadout part 1, part 2, part 3. It's simple because it keeps the chat flowing and people engaged. Every time your game drops a new feature, a new skin or a new map, go live and react to it. First impressions are super fun to watch because your viewers are experiencing it with you in real time. Even if it's a small update, give your honest reactions. You can be like, okay, the developer added this, let's test it out. This kind of content feels timely and relevant and people love to hear unfiltered opinions. This one is classic and it always hits. Play with your viewers. Make it something like, first 3 people to drop their username join my squad, or even, I'll spectate your gameplay and I'll rate it live. When people know they might get featured, they stick around longer. And they will invite their friends too. More viewers, more fun, more content. Easy win. This one is for content creators who also post short videos. Replay your old TikTok clips on stream and ask your audience, is this a clean clutch or a big fail? Be real with me. React to it live, explain what happened there, and even hype yourself a little. It's content on top of content. You are recycling your clip and creating a new type of show your followers can come back for weekly. So yeah, those are 5 easy TikTok live stream content ideas that will keep your audience entertained and get you out of the what should I stream slump. Here's a quick recap. Number 1, let chat challenge you live. Number 2, rate your viewers loadout / setups. Number 3, react to game updates or new mods. Number 4, play with your viewers. And the 5th one, react to your own clips with the chat. Try one of them or stack them up together for a wild non-stop stream that people actually want to watch. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite content idea, and don't forget to subscribe for more streaming tips, and let's grow together. See you guys in the next video. Peace and love.